Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like tabulas or other related things from your HUAWEI Nova Y91. So to start, if you see something like that, the spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit inside or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm going to show the first method. Go to the settings, tap on the apps and services and choose the apps. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, tap that you have not installed by yourself, tap that you do not recognize the name of it, just tap on it and choose install. Tap on the OK, and in the second step, go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. Choose the storage and tap on the clear data. Tap on the OK, and after this process your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the app gallery and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so you can launch it now. Tap on the continuous free and choose the start scan. Allow permissions and turn on the switcher next to it. Go back to the app and always use the deep scan. And after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares and viruses should be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.